Hi, welcome to L1 Auto. This is 2010 Toyota Camry. I'm gonna replace the bumper today, front bumper. So car had a little accident right there, so we need to replace the bumper. Bumper is damaged. First of all, we need to open the hood. Right. Now we need to take all this clip out. You see this? There's a little ball right there, and all this clip, that's like a push clip. You can take this off, and there should be one ball in here. See that ball right there on the side? This ball, we need to take this 10mm, and this one just turn one turn like this, then it will come out. There's underneath, there's a 110mm right here, there's a 110 right here. This one, need to take this off. See this is a 10mm, one here, one there. So it's both sides, and 10mm in here. One right here. See here, this one. And there's a one right there. There's a one in here. So you will see when you go underneath. You see that? So you need to take this off. And as well from the other side, I took it off already. So after that, there's a 10mm, I took it off. Later on, I'm gonna take all this clip. Just, usually you try something with something this like this, then you pull that. So open this one, just with this screwdriver, just one turn, and it will come out. See this? And when you put it back, just put it in, just turn on one turn, like right side. One bar is out. I took all the ball out from the bottom. Took this out as well. After I take all this bolt out from the bottom, simply just take the bumper out. It will come out. So after I open, I'm gonna open this grill. This one. I'm gonna show you how to open this. Take the grill out. We need to take this. Off. So there is a screw right here. One screw in the corner right there. One here. And there's a one right there. One here. You'll see when you open it, and you see the screw. After I open, see this? Open the screws. Open all the screws. Like 2 in the middle, 2 on the side, like 4 screw. Then basically just push in here. And you push this. See those tabs? The black one, not this one. The black right there. One is right here. One. So it will go inside when you push like this. There's some in the bottom too, right here. Push it. and it will eventually it will come out. Sometimes it's stuck like in here. You see this one is go underneath right there. Just pull it like this. See, come out. Do all of them like this. Just put something in here, spread it. There we go. Take this one too, bottom one. See this little tab right here. This one is inside, so you need to take this off. Easily come out. Look, there's another one right here. Right here. Basically, when you pull it in the middle, be careful, don't break. It will come out. See, the whole thing is come out. So this hole. So like this like tie lock things go inside like this. Just lock it and just push it this one and it will come out. To open this clip, see this one, it's pretty simple, like with the plier or something. Just push, push, and then pull it from here. See this? It came out. Basically, you see these two slot like split right here. Just push like this and it will come out. Don't forget to take this off. Just put something in here. See, it will come out. You have to put it back to the new one, and if you don't have the fog light, you need to take this off. See, just push little tab in here. It will go. Just push it. You have to do all of them like this. Push little tab. Come out. So this whole thing came out. Now when you put it back, you don't have to do nothing. Just from outside, just see this tab, make this straight. Just push it in. That's it. I tied it up. All this bottom bowl, 10mm, and push the grill like this. Just put everything like straight to the hole, like little this thing, and just push it in. It's go inside. And the other grill too, just from the outside, just put it in. See this hole, the tab thing is coming out and tight like I think 3-4 bolt, 4 screw, the bolt, sorry. So that's all guys. Reverse is removable. If you like the video, please like and subscribe.